I bet it flies great, huh?
Oh yeah, I've done a real good job.
And you fly it out at the North Plains, do you?
Yeah, I've been to North Plains and been down to been down the Alvor Desert now.
Great. We're gonna get some video of it in the air next summer, right?
I'm sorry, what was that?
We're gonna get some video of it from the air.
Oh, you bet. You bet.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
And here's an overview from the other end. We expect 20 to 30,000 people through here this weekend. The theme this year of the Airfair 93 is Wagons to Wings. Credit goes to Lorraine Gable. Here, quite a display. This is to commemorate the Oregon Trail. Beautiful display. Wagons to Wings. Well, let's see if we can go find Betty Ann Mosen. She's a kingpin behind this youth activities group. Got Betty Ann Mosen. She's a kingpin behind the youth group. Betty, how'd it go yesterday?
Oh, I think it was fantastic. The kids were so excited about everything. And we figured maybe around 500 kids came through, got their logbooks, and earned their wings.
Great. Oh, they earned their wings. They had fun doing it, huh?
Oh, we had a lot of
Great.
fun. The kids were just so happy, and the parents were happy, and so we hope we're turning them on.
We sure appreciate all your help.
Huh?
We sure appreciate all your help.
Well, we appreciate yours.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Made the second flight to the moon. Pete's got himself a catalog, and he's got himself a Hansen scale elevation video. He's all set to go. Pete Conrad, astronaut. Have some entertainment. You won't be bored. Well, we're going to say goodbye to the 93 Oregon Airfair. We'll see you guys next year in November 1994 at the Oregon Convention Center, downtown Portland. Be there or be square. Welcome to the Evergreen Scale Rally, presented by the Portland Sky Knights. August 13, 14, 15, 1993, Lenhart's Airport, Hubbard, Oregon. A Scale Masters Qualifier. Contest Director Jerry Holcomb. Well, it's Friday morning. We're at Lenhart's Air Park, about 4 miles east of Hubbard, Oregon. A few guys out here doing some test flights, but this is the strip we're going to fly at. It's mainly a duster strip where Jack Lenhart bases his duster planes. Nice hard top runway there, and it ends right here, and from there on it's all grass. So it should be adequate. Jerry Gray's here with his Super Cub, right, Jerry?
Yes, sir.
And he's found out that he's got a bad motor servo right off the bat, so it's a good thing he came out early today. You gonna get a servo for that, Jerry?
Yes, sir. It'll be flying tomorrow, hopefully.
Good, good. Gary Carter and Bill Racer. Gary's brought his Pete Bauer's Fly Baby out here, right, Gary?
Yeah.
What do you got for power?
OS 108.
He's going to give her a test flight pretty soon, right?
Flown it twice already, flies great. I thought I'd give it a flight on this smooth pavement, though. Been flying out the club field. It's rather rough in that there's no suspension other than the tires.
And that's Gary Carter there in his younger years before the change.
Yeah.
Contest director, Jerry Holcomb.
Don't you forget it.
Lately of Vancouver, Washington. How come it took you so long to get here?
Exalted contest director.
Okay, let's get with it, huh? Orville Brooks and his spacewalkers. Third scale, is it, Orville?
Yeah.
And if things go right, this will be my mount for the weekend, right? We're going to be team scale, Orville?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this thing going. We need a test flight. He's got the Cavan twin in here. Orville?
No, it's been running great.
We just had it.
Oh, came in and updated it, so I've only got about an hour on it since the update.
It's Friday. Why, we got some guys working here yet, making a living.
There's one parked the trailer, and
Jack, we sure want to thank you for letting us use your field this weekend.
Ta-da! You're welcome.
And look at that hat he's wearing. Isn't that neat?
First hat for the
Very first hat. Don Curry here, watching out for Jim McDonald while he's test flying his glass air. This is Jim McDonald's test airplane.
Starting your videos already?
You bet. You're #1 on the list. Jim's going to show us how to do it. There's no wind today at all. Very nice, Jim. It's a Byron with a 38 G38 engine. Here come all the goodies. Well, it's Friday about 11 o'clock in the morning, and this is where we're having the static judging. Right here at Proctor Enterprises.
This is a special edition of the Rush Limbaugh program, America.
This shows you how to get in here.
And now, from our studios in New York City, here is Rush Limbaugh. One day at a time, for the last time.
Right in the woods. Looks like there's guys coming out of the woodwork here.
1,255 days remain to count them all. Live from New York, it's Open Line Friday. Callers choose the topics we discussed today.
Oh, Jerry's got his
Wouldn't you say? Turning over a little bit of a new leaf.
station wagon here showing us where to park.
You want to ask any question you have, any statement you wish to make, and then
We're in there. Well, it's static time at Proctor Enterprises. Not too many guys here yet, but they're coming. McDonald from Davis, California. Beautiful Bearcat. Second up for static.
Designed his own articulating gear.
They're early plans, aren't they? Pegasus Flat 4 with articulating landing gear designed by Jim.
Yeah, well, we see the top of the wing.
Oh, I cut it down to 2 inches.
This is the articulating part right here.
And I pick
These
up all that heat.
Bearcats had long gear. They had to cut down the length when they retracted. Jim Poe from Astoria, Oregon, Waco taper wing. I've seen this one fly and it goes good. And we have Vance Dunlop from Troutdale, Oregon, with his Sequoia, a Byron kit. He's got a tartan twin in there. Vance on his last birthday. Q Quigley's American Zero. Q's from Boise, Idaho. He got documentation on this aircraft from the Smithsonian, so you know it's good.
Yeah.
There's Q.
Because they had a captured Backwolf 190 I've never seen too with American markings on it.
Q flew this at the Northwest Scale Masters qualifier, Farragut State Park.
Damn board job.
And the P-47 belongs to Ray Shellikins,
Oh, I didn't know that.
also from Boise.
Oh, okay. Airplane I've always liked wanting to build a model of is the Bell Air.
Ed Hess from Olalla, Oregon. Static only. Channel wing. I guess it's the Custer channel wing. Designed in Pennsylvania a while back. This aircraft hasn't flown yet, but hopefully shortly. And we have Dick Heining from Proctor Enterprises. This is the new Proctor quarter-scale Eindecker 3. That's not Dick. Equipped with the Seidel 7-cylinder radial engine from Seidel Motor and Bob, Malsch, Germany. Here's some nice static trophies made by Paul Edgerly. Thank you very much, Paul. These are beautiful. These are strictly for static, and here's one he made for Proctor to give away to the aircraft closest to the World War I era. One of our trophies for the flying competition, overall competition. Etched glass. There's Gary Carter and his Pete Bowers fly, baby. Fly's beautiful. Well, Greg Ernst, one of our sponsors, just showed up with his aircraft. Hi, Greg.
Hello, Dick.
We're going to sign you up under expert category.
All right.
But he donated all that good stuff.
Beginner expert.
Yeah, he volunteered all that good stuff for the prizes. There's the chief himself getting static.
Static.
Dick Heining, Proctor Enterprises. Eindecker 3, quarter scale. Randy Hansen's Newport 11 from Astoria. Randy's not here yet, but Jim Pope brought it up to have it staticked. Winner of Northwest Scale Masters, 1993, Farragut State Park. Jim McDonald, Davis, California, flying his Bearcat. Fly pass for Jim McDonald. There's a dirty fly.